So this exercise is called the Cadenza of the dominant 7 chords. So we're moving up, C7, C7, 4th higher, F7, B flat 7, E flat 7, A flat 7, D flat 7, F sharp 7, B7, E7, A7, B7, G7, C7. Okay, this is linear, but now we're gonna we take the 5th out, we put the bass 1 octave down, and then we invert the chord. So this is like a 3-tone. This is the 7th, always wants to dissolve into the 3rd, and in the same time the 3rd wants to dissolve into the 7th. So this we're gonna move chromatically down. Then we go up again until we are back at C7. Then the bass, 4th up, 5th down, 4th up, 5th down, 4th up. Going up, 5th up, quarter down, 5th, quarter. Now we're gonna combine the hands together, and it sounds like this. Now we play the same, but we invert the chord. So we take this voice 1 octave down. It's still C7th, but it sounds a little different because of the register. But it stays chromatic. Now you're gonna do the same exercise but a half step higher. So now you play the same, but with the inversion. So this one goes up. As you notice, I didn't use any pedal.